This video is on finding the hours that you work when you are being paid straight time pay. So hours worked is what we're looking for. So on the right hand side I have the questions as they will appear in Canvas, and on the left hand side I have the home page of my Canvas. And I'm going to open the notes. And I'm going to enlarge those. And while those are opening, I'm going to return to the home page. And I'm going to open the calculator. And I'm going to put the calculator on mode 2 so that everything will be rounding to the penny for when we are dealing with money. And now we are ready to go. Okay, so in our notes, this is talking about straight time pay. So we're going to go to page 2 in the notes, and we're going to go down here to about the middle where it says straight time pay, and you'll see there's 3 expressions. One is to find straight time pay, one is to find the hourly rate, and one is to find the hours worked. And we are looking for finding the numbers of hours worked. So we are going to use this strategy right here, and we are going to take the pay and divide it by the rate. So the straight time pay divided by the hourly rate. So if we read the question says that Kelly Roswell earned $718.96 at $18.92 per hour. So this is how much she earned, and this is how much she was paid by the hour. And the question is, how many hours did Kelly work? So we're going to take the pay and divide it by the hourly rate. So to go to our calculator, we're going to take the pay, which was $718.96, $718.96, and we're going to divide that by how much she was paid per hour, which is $18.92. And so this is how much she earned in that paycheck. This is what she earned in her paycheck. And this is how much she gets paid per hour. So when we hit enter, we're going to find out that she worked 38 hours this week. And so we're going to put in 38 hours. I bet we're just going to put in 38 because the way the question is worded. How many hours did Kelly work? 38. And then it says if this is a normal work week for Kelly, and Kelly works 51 weeks a year, how much does she earn in a year? Okay, so here's the deal. This is how much she makes every week, and she's going to work 51 weeks. So we're going to go back to the 718. And that's what she makes 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, every week of the year. And she works for 51 weeks. So this is how much she makes every week. This is how many weeks she works. So this is how much money she earns in a year. So in a year's time, she earns $36,666.96. Okay, so if she were, let's say, a salary worker, that's what her salary would be. Okay, that's how much she earns in a year. When she fills out her income taxes and they're asked what was her wages earned, her W-2 is going to say $36,666.96. Okay. All right. Question 2. Find the hours worked. This week, Adita earned $692 while earning $17.30 per hour. how many hours did Adita work this week? So again, if we go back and we go to find the hours worked, because it says how many hours did Adita work, we're going to take straight time pay divided by the hourly rate. So we're going to take the $692 and we are going to divide it by how much Adita makes per hour, $17.30. So this is how much they earned this week. Their paycheck says they earned $692. They know they make $17.30 an hour. They know that's their hourly wage. So how many hours did they work this week? They worked a 40-hour work week. And these are not money answers, so they don't need the .00. They don't need the dollar sign. This is an hour. How many hours? How many hours? 40 hours. Okay. If you want, pause the video, try number 3, and then see how we did. So number 3, if your straight time pay is $630 when your hourly rate is $17.50, then you must have worked blank hours. Okay, so again, we know how much money we earned. We earned $630. We know our hourly rate. Our hourly rate is $17.50. So we just want to double check to find the hours worked, how much you earn divided by how much you make an hour. That's what we did. We earned $630 and we get paid $17.50 an hour. Therefore, we must have worked 36 hours. And that, my friend, is how you do those problems. I'm just curious to see. Yes, look at that. They're all correct. And again, the reason you don't put dollar signs or .00 with these is because they are not money. The only answer that was money was this one. How much money do you make in a year? All right, my friends, again, the notes are on page 2 to find hours worked. All right.